Alright guys, we're back. We're in Kenosha County now. Right by the lake. I tell you, you get by the lake, it's like a oh man, it's kind of actually chilly. It's probably like a 30-degree drop. There's the lake over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, lots of nice boats out. This is Lake Michigan. Wow. That air coming off the lake is a little chilly. It feels good though. I mean, it's over 90 degrees out here where I live. And over here by the lake, I would say it's, I don't know, probably actually about 20 degrees difference. I don't know. So it's maybe low 80s, maybe 70s over here. Nice Mini. Miss my Mini Cooper. Wow, a lot of nice houses out this way. I'm trying to get to the lake, but I might be going the wrong direction. Probably went the wrong direction. I'm going to turn here and see what happens. It's probably going to take me in a big circle, but whatever. Just want to get a little closer to the lake. Wow, what a difference, man. I was getting burned so bad by the sun, and this feels really refreshing. They put all these rocks over here by the lake because they were having trouble with erosion. But man, I wonder, makes you wonder how they got them all over here. It took them a long time because they put it all the way across the front of Lake Michigan over here in Wisconsin. All that water smells so good. Look at that, look at all those guys out on their boats. Nice. Let's jump on the bike path over here. Let me see. What's the rules? Oh, no motorized vehicles allowed. What the heck? Figures. Good thing they had a sign there, otherwise I would have jumped on it. Kenosha County, I'm not going to risk it just because it's Father's Day and there's probably a lot of copper boppers out here. A lot of K-Town popos. Oh yeah, I was out here yesterday and it wasn't this packed. So obviously because of Father's Day going on, whatever, everything's gonna get a little crazy over here. A lot more people gonna be here today. Let's park next to this nice red Mustang. Oh shit, we match. Pretty close to the same color. Except I don't think the Mustang has the metallic in it. Oh, damn, I just noticed I'm about to get gas. God, look at that sexy beast. Such a nice bike. Oh yeah. Geez, so nice out here. Be nice to have family come out here and just sit around and have a picnic. I haven't been on a picnic in so many years. I kind of miss that, you know. We used to go to the Racine Zoo all the time, and we'd go swimming by the lake after we went to the zoo. It's like you kind of start to miss that stuff when you get older. You know, I don't have any kids, so everything I do pretty much on my own. Damn. Look at that, it looks so nice. Surprisingly, the water looks pretty clear. Wow. we got a company wanting to come out here, Foxcom. They want to build LCD screens, and it said something like they're going to use like 6 million gallons of water a year or something like that. I'd have to look up the facts on it. Might be a year or a day, I'm not sure. I'd have to look on it again. Yeah. Everybody's like, look at the weirdo with the helmet on. Kind of agree with him. Oh shit. It is a nice Mustang though, holy crap. I dig it. I always liked the little bit older model ones where they had that metallic green. That was like the Mustang I always wanted. Alright guys, I'll be back.